Sobrang memorable nito, mga naliligaw tayo, pero it's fine. We got this, okay?
Guys, parang magkakalala sila dito lahat.
Malaglag.
Ang bawal sa akin.
Ano, sarap. Nakakatakot kasi mag-isa ko lang. View, grabe. First time ko mag-isa. I have no one. Hiking. Where the hell am I? Hi all, this is my first ever international solo trip and I just passed the immigration. Grabe, first time ko mapag-isa. Realization ko so far, wala pa kasi wala pa ako doon. And ang aga-aga ko, dito lang ako maaga sa airport. Lagi akong late as a person. And yeah, I'm just eating my katsu chicken. Ito siya. And medyo martig ito. So, enjoyin natin. Init na. So, apparently, 3 hours early ako sa flight ko. Which is nasanay kasi ako sa naiiyak. Dito sa Clark, very smooth, very easy, very quick. Mga process niya. Hanggang na-rattle actually. Mabigat lang yung maleta ko kasi parang pang ilang buwan yung dala ko kasi overpacker ako. It sucks kasi walang jowa ko. So yung kakabit-bit, spoiled ako sa maleta. I'm super happy ko kasi pinayagan niya naman akong pag-isa sa trip ko. Guys, stay tuned. Marami akong pupuntahan. Nice ko yung itinerary ko. So, it's gonna be a whole lot of experiences for me. Bye guys. Okay guys, wala pa akong tulog. Hindi ako matutulog kasi I'm so excited. Because again, first time ko mag-travel alone. And I feel like walang gigising sa akin pag makakatulog ako dito. So, yeah. This is the airport. Meron ditong pastries, look. So, I might go there.
Today is a very special day because it's actually my 27th birthday. I'll be taking myself on a birthday dinner tonight, so I'm gonna try my best to get some sleep in this 3 to 4 hour flight. Bye for now!
Ayan na yung famous vortex and it's so pretty. Hi guys. Dito na ako sa rain vortex and ang ganda talaga niya. As in, nakaupo lang ako dito. Nag-picture and all that. Sobrang grabing layo niya sa mga airport sa Pilipinas. Grabing effort yung binibigay nila dito para ma-maintain nila to. Ang daming plants. As in, everywhere there's a lot of plants. Kahit mainit, may oxygen. Alam mo yun? Medyo napagod na ako. Let's go guys.
We just arrived at my room. This is in Hotel Bencoolen and I have a king-size bed. Pinili ko yung deluxe room kasi para medyo spacious siya and bigger bed kasi light sleeper ako so it should be really comfortable. May TV. Maliit lang naman siya. Okay na siya if 1 to 2 person. Meron din tayo dito ang mga amenities like water, cup, coffee, heater. Then may safe din for your valuables, mini fridge, closet, a bathroom with a huge mirror. Then of course, mga toiletries, towel, first four-course meal overlooking Marina Bay Sands. So come along, I'll show you how it went.
Oh, this is not a steak, by the way. It's a liver. Tried this before.
Which is the actual questions are properly, really the answers properly. Yeah, but then I went back to it because I mean, if you were to sit there and read it is the
That's all.
Thank you.
Looks good.
So over here we have our signature risotto, which is our risotto is actually from Hokkaido, Japan, from 1060.
Interesting. Ngayon lang ako nakatikom ng risotto. Marami pinatanggal ito sa MasterChef. I love it.
So two cuts, would you have the braised chick and the Japanese salon? Sandra.
So main course, we have our Australian Wagyu, which is Stonex, from Stonex. We have the beef cheeks, and as well the sirloin, so with the truffle mash with curry cauliflower, and some of the wild forest mushroom sauce, and the beer mushroom.
What's this?
Beer mushroom.
Oh,
That's our quality.
thank you. Let's eat it. Let's taste it. Flavor explosion.
Grabe, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-describe through words tong experience na to. I can say that it's definitely worth experiencing kung talagang foodie ka. Lahat ng food nila well thought of, talagang made with love and art. It is pricey for a reason, but definitely worth it. At ang sarap lang talaga sa feeling na dati pantasyo ko lang makakain sa fine dining restaurant. At ngayon, finally, na-try ko na siya. That's it. This birthday reminded me to never forget your milestones and to keep acknowledging how great and capable you are, even when all you have is yourself. Guys, look at the city lights. Makes me feel like everything's possible. And andyan yung Marina Bay Sands. I'm just walking around with my heels. This is my birthday, so I get to meet her as much as I want. Ganda ng view, grabe.
Hopefully, I don't need this DJI Osmo wherever I go today. Pupunta na tayo sa Universal Studios. Stay trending up minutes. People car. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at the view. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Great walking sound! Yes! I can!
kasi first time ko mag-isa. I have no one. And it feels good. It feels liberating. Ganap ako ng hindi ko pag magnet ito. But I don't think I have one. They don't have a metal thing here. Yeah. This is me. Turn right. Where the hell am I? Naliligaw tayo, pero it's fine. We got this, okay? Turn left. Okay. Left. Di pa, excited naman. Okay, so first agenda is that we're going to get our headbands here in Universal Studios. I'm going to get a Minion headband. Let's see. I'm so happy. Pinag-isipan ko kasi na Minion yung headband ko. But for some reason, hindi ko makita yung mga headband nila. Let's find it. Hi, excuse me, where's your headbands? Headbands? I want a Minion headband. Ah, I found it! Thank you so much! Ay, ito na yung hinahanap ko. Hi! Yun kasi yung vibe ng damit natin today's Minion. That's why, yan lang yung bag ko. Naka-denim ako. So, let's see. Anong bagay sa yeah, it's giving. It's cute. So, yeah. Tapuan ko na siya. May banana, may Minions. Or this one. Cute. Isa lang. Uy! Mas big ko. What do you guys think? Ano mas bagay? Ito daw hard to balance. Pero ang cute. Okay, I'll get this one. Mas balance nga siya. Agenda na! Nakabili na ako ng Minion headband! It's giving Minion! My outfit is giving Minion! So, nakuha ko na yung mga pics na gusto ko. I think enough na yun. Inom na ako ng water. Oh my gosh, malamig pa din. Naubos ko nga. Init. Okay, let's pace ourselves. Everything is at our own pace. Everything's okay. Agenda natin is sumakay ng rides, which is nakakatakot kasi mag-isa ko lang. Parang feeling ko kaya ko naman yan. Grabe naman kung hindi ko kaya yan. Diba? Hindi kaya ko nga magbiyahe. Ayan yung binabalak ko. Yan. Wow, malawak pa pala siya dito. We are in the far, far away land. Nandito sila Shrek. Apparently, yeah. Sobrang nakakatakot siya. Sanay ako sa Disney rides na medyo baby girl lang. This one is a legit roller coaster. Sorry ako sa katabi ko kasi sobrang akong sumigaw. Like, putangin na ako ng putangin. Fuck, no? It's so worth it. At least na-try ko. Hindi ko sure kung itatry ko pa yung Cyclone. Kasi it looks really scary. Cyclone yung nakababa yung paa. Dalawa kasi yan. Yung isa, human. Battle Galactica kasi. So, magkalaban human at Cyclone. Sabay silang nagpe-play. So, yung Cyclone, mas extreme yung mga twists and turns. Tapos nakalala yung paa. And sa human naman, is normal roller coaster. And wala siyang loop. Pero grabe na siyang makakatakot. Sobrang adrenaline siya. Ang next ko naman is itong Revenge of the Mummies. This one. Yan naman. See kung kaya ko. I'm going to eat my first meal here in Universal Studios. Meron akong fried chicken. And by the way, nilibre lang ako ng isang chicken. Magtitinda! Natuwa ata siya kasi hinanap. Yung nakita ko online na chicken and waffle. Tapos, sa ibang store pala niya binili yung waffle. So, chicken lang yung nandito. Tapos, nagulat ako kasi order ko to lang. Sabi ko, I just ordered to. Sabi niya, the other one is my chicken. So cute! And I have here coleslaw, mashed potato. That's it. Universal Studios experience. Madami ako nasakyan and mga napuntahan na panood. I'm so happy.
Isang item sa bucket list ko ang pagpunta sa theme park alone. So thank you Universal Studios Singapore for the memories. Until next time. Tapos na yung araw at ito yung view ko pa uwi. Sobrang liwanag, sobrang ganda ng kalangitan. Yung tipong parang pati yung langit nagsa-celebrate sa saya ko ngayon eh. Hi, sarap din pala mapag-isa, no? Gaya nga ng sabi ni Taylor, the bad news is you're on your own now. But the good news is you're on your own now. Good night, everyone.
I'm going to eat my breakfast.
It tastes good, but in a weird way.
Ito na yung plate natin. pancit. We have porridge, mga fried something, dessert, sausage, toast, and may water.
Parang Charlie pansit nila. Nakakagulat dito guys kasi yung mga Pilipino bigla ka na nagtatagalugis. Na-identify ko yung Pilipino kahit sa tawa. Parang yung may accent yung tawa natin. Parang pag may tumawa ng gumanon, ay Pinoy, you're right. Today, ang itinerary ko sa Marina Bay Sands tayo mag-iikot-ikot. So, it's a not so chill day kasi mainit doon. But, it is just around the vicinity. So, Berlayon, Helix Bridge, the shops, punta ko dun sa loob ng Marina Bay, Marina, Barrage, Cloud Forest, the Flower Dome, syempre hindi yung mawawala, yung mga floral na yan. Sausage. I feel at home here. Kasi unang-una yung weather. Sobrang sunny day. I feel like I'm made for sunny days. Mas buhay yung dugo ko pag mainit. Parang mas ako yun. May palaman siya. I don't know the food kasi para pagkain dito. Susulitin na natin sa buffet, diba? Bilingual din sila. Nagsuswitch din yung accent nila. Tapos yun nga yung weather. Tapos kung paano yung mga tao dito, masayahin sila. Kasi napag-aralan ko nung college sa anthropology class namin na one of the reasons kaya masayahin ng Philippines is that we don't have to deal with the cold weather. So, every day is survivable. We don't have winter. Parang tao, mas cool lang, chill lang, because we're not dying. Parang gano'n. Kahit hindi mag-work masyado. Hindi ko gano'n din sila dito. Summer sila talaga. All year round pala.
Private against the world. We are going upstairs. Hi, you're so big. Amongst the first and still the tallest. Dito tayo sa Super Tree Grove. And itong mga trees na yan is man-made. So huge. Nag-generate sila ng electricity. Singapore is very known sa mga technology nila. Very hot, tropical country, but they managed to put up lots of man-made nature, like trees. Looks pretty, right? It's my first time trying out this chicken. This finally over and I'm just here having my own picnic after a long walk. Andito na ako. I'm just enjoying the scenic views, sundering, looking around people alone. I don't care. I need to sit. Look at my amazing view. Trying out this Lapao Sar stall. Yung satay nila. Sarap. Sarap sobra. We're here in Chinatown. Oh, pasalubong. 4 for 10. Mga beef jerky din. Yan, mga store na yan. Mosque Street. Sa totoo lang, sanay na lang din ako maglakad. Kasi malakad talaga siya. And, ang ginagamit ko lang talagang mode of transport is MRT. Kasi guys, mahal ang Grab dito. Aabot siya ng 700 to 800. Even though it's just a 10 to 15 minute ride. And very efficient yung MRT system nila dito. Sintad-tad siya, magkakalapit lang yung station. Hindi ka masyadong hahanap or sobrang walk, yung tipong kahit MRT lang gamitin mo, may ikot mo yung buong Singapore without a hassle. Ganda ng place. Wow! Hello! Oh, hi! Hi! Ay, bibili later ng mga pasalubong. Love it. Uy, grabe. Parang gusto ko mag-durian. Nakaka-asip pa yun. Kasi ting sa kanila yung durian. first known as the Lion City. So then, I love Singapore, Merlion, Lion, Super Tree, tsaka yung parang beach kasi may mga beaches din sila. This one, Singapore, andito yung Merlion din. And then, Singapore with yung Ferris wheel nila, tapos yung Marina Bay Sands and Lion. Ang cute nito. Oh, Chinatown, Lourdes by the Bay, Merlion, Jewel International Airport, Street. Yeah, that's all. Yun lang. Ayan na yung mga pasalubong ko. It's not a lot, but it's definitely something na ma-appreciate ng family ko. Kasi chocolates, shirts, ref magnets. Hehe.
We're walking around Kampong Glam. Ang colorful ng mga store dito. Ganda tignan. This is my outfit. Ito yung Turkish ice cream. So, sikat sila sa ice cream nila na sobrang lapot. Medyo natunaw na kasi siya. Pero ayan o, may pull siya. It's very much thicker than gelato, I know. Medyo jelly to pastry na siya yung feeling niya. Sobrang thick ko. Sarap. And this one, baklava. Si ChatGPT nagsabi sa akin na tikman ko to. It's a Turkish pastry din. So, parang known ang Turkish sa mga sweets. Okay. May layer siya. Kinda reminds me of Otap. Hold on. Guys, I think it's katayfi. Deep fried katayfi siya. Naku, bawal sa akin. Ano, sarap. May pistachios din siya. Sarap. Try niyo yun. Nandito ako sa ibang bansa. Sa street, Arab street. And wala akong kakilala. And I don't know saan ako next. Hindi ko alam kung sino mga tao sa labas. Ang bansa sila galing. Pero at this moment, magkakasama kaming lahat dito. Sobrang memorable. Being lost in your 20s. It's a must.
Alzheimer.
Okay, tell me what you like.
I want to try the chicken curry
Okay.
and the naan.
Okay, you want any spicy no?
No spice.
Okay, take the butter chicken, very nice, sweet and sour. Butter chicken.
Okay, not chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Spicy. Okay. Buttered chicken and naan.
Which one you want? Garlic, cheese.
What do you recommend?
You like cheese? Can take cheese, very nice.
Yeah, I'll have the cheese naan.
One cheese naan and butter.
Butter chicken.
Having here.
Thank you. I want buko juice, please. Here. How much?
Tamis-tamis siya. Guys, para magkakalala sila dito lahat. Naisi sila. Yung naan, para siyang pizza. Ay, ito, in-order ko talaga is cherries. Pero sila nung ako ng tindera, okay lang ba kung spicy. Sabi ko no spicy. Ito yung binili niyo, butter chicken.
We're going to Orchard Road. Mall lang tayo today and cruise.
Okay guys, andito tayo sa Ion Orchard Mall. And isa siya sa mga luxury malls dito sa Singapore. So tong Orchard Road kasi, hilera siya ng mga luxury malls where you can find big brands like Dior, LV, Gentle Monster, Prada, Loewe, mga ganyan. But yeah, obviously, hindi naman tayo bibili doon kasi hindi pa tayo ganun kayaman. But I'm going to try the Prada Cafe kasi may coffee sila and para mag-picture na lang din ako sa loob. Hopefully, mura lang.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much for sharing like this way.
Thank you.
Window seat, right?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Put your bag here.
Sure. Thank you.
It will absorb the energy.
After a long week of exploring Singapore, talagang nilaan ko lang tong last day ko na to enjoy the slow moments. This allows me to breathe in, breathe out, because sometimes the best part of traveling alone isn't the places you see. It's having the place to breathe, reflect, and reconnect with yourself. Hindi na rin mawawala doon ang pag-reflect mo sa mga nagastos mo throughout the entire trip. 800 pa naman tong kaping Bali Self, mababawi mo naman yan mo ah.
around bunkers, and if you're really brave-hearted, explore the ancient temples of the very old Did you know that the paths along the Singapore River are definitely tempted by the many shops and cafes of that is Fort Canning Hill, where Raffles built his own bungalow, Singapore's first government house, to Botanic Garden, to cultivate commercially imported spices. The hill was later used by the British as a... But way before the 1860s, Boat Quay handled 3/4 of Singapore's total shipping business.
You know what? Maybe there's beauty in getting lost. Sometimes we get lost in places only to discover places we never knew existed. Other times we get lost in the journey and end up discovering more about ourselves. Because somewhere between unfamiliar streets, you learn to trust yourself more. You become comfortable with uncertainty. You realize that not every path needs a plan to be meaningful. It's never about the destination. Sometimes the greatest discovery isn't a new place at all. It's the version of yourself you meet when you allow yourself to get lost along the way.
Hey, so enjoy lang natin yung last night natin dito sa Singapore. I'm currently in Clark Quay. So, dyan na yung park cruise namin kanina. Diyan din kami binalik. And nandito yung mall. So, hanap ako ng chicken and rice. Kasi yung tummy ko, hindi na niya masyado matolerate yung mga Indian foods, mga satay. So, let's find something to eat. Something Korean, something, you know. Guys, sobrang memorable nito. Mga future kids. Guys, yung mom nyo, mag-isang nag-travel sa Singapore. But you know what? I thought it's gonna be lonely. Kasi, first of all, niya mag-isa ako. Wala akong kabatuan ng ano. Ganda niya, no? Ganyan. Pero you know what? Being your own company, you get to know yourself even more. So, ano yung nag-work sa'yo? Mas naintindihan mo. It's just you. You got no one to blame but yourself. Pag naligaw ka, okay lang. There's always a ticket way back home. So, sa mga nagpuplano mag-solo travel, trust me, mahihain akong bata. And hindi ko alam, hindi ko akalain na makakapag-solo travel ako alone, independently, without any guide sa country of my choice, which is hindi ako nagkamali ko, Singapore. Really caught my heart. Para siyang Philippines na much better, and of course, hindi ko may iwasang isipin na this could have been us, diba, before. Kasi before magkaroon ng Singapore, they said that tayo yung pinakamayaman sa Southeast Asia, but then everything happened, and sobrang ganda lang sa experience, na maka-experience ka ng first world country, not so far from your country. It's just a 3 to 4 hour plane ride, and yun, Sobrang sulit ko siya. Ang ganda dito. Ang linis. Kanina pagising ko sa umaga, medyo naiiyak-iyak pa ako kasi grabe, kinaya ko siya. Actually, hindi naman siya sobrang hirap i-navigate. Napaka-easy niya lang. Very, like, parang yung difficulty ko dito, 2 out of 10. Siguro kasi, syempre, maliligaw ka din ng konti, pero marunong ka naman magbasa, marunong ka naman mag-Google Maps, so hindi ka talaga makawala dito. Ang sarap pa ng food in fair. Of all the countries I've been to, punta ako ng Hong Kong, China, Macau. Masasabi ko na yung food dito yung pinaka gusto ko based on my personal choice, okay? So yan. Pakita kayo ibang view. Kudos na rin sa boyfriend ko ngayon kasi hinayaan niya ako mag-travel ng ganito. Diba? Mag-isa ako. He let me. He just lets me. Thank you so much, babe.